Hi, my name is Khan. Hoping you all are doing good. In this part 2, I will be talking about database, DBMS versus RDBMS. So let us start. The agenda for the part 2 will be what is data and what is database, some applications of database, DBMS versus RDBMS, and how to create, use and drop database. What is data? Data is nothing but a raw fact which is stored so that we can extract the required details from it. Suppose I have a table and which has 5 attributes: ID, employee name, company and date of birth and address. And I want to know how many employees are working under Flipkart. So I'll run a query and the system returns me 2. Here the table is nothing but a raw data and the output is nothing but the result. We have understood what is data. Let us understand what is a database. A database is nothing but a collection of interrelated data which is stored together without unnecessary redundancy. Here the unnecessary redundancy is nothing but avoiding the repetition of the same record. A database should also protect unauthorized access and concurrent access. Concurrent access is nothing but suppose 4 users are using the same database simultaneously, then the database should have some solution to serve those users. And also a database consists of 4 components: a data itself, a relationship between the data, and constraints and schema. We will discuss all these 4 components in detail in the upcoming parts. Databases are widely used in many applications. Some of the applications of database is banking, airlines, university, sales and manufacturing industries. We all know that bank stores data of the customer and every transaction made by the customer. In airline industry, I guess they store the customer data as well as the arrival departure of each and every airplane. In university, I guess they store the student data, the admission date, what branch he is into. So the next topic will be DBMS, Database Management System. It is nothing but a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to access those data. Also in DBMS, the relationship between the 2 tables or file must be given programmatically. Also DBMS allows one person to access database at any point of time, like we all know that MS Access. The main here is in DBMS it lacks the data security. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, is a database management system in which the records are maintained in form of tables and the relationship between the data is maintained through tables. To understand this, consider 3 tables: sales, product and subcategory. Using primary and foreign key, we are maintaining relationship between these 3 tables. Here, in the sales table, you can see that FK, foreign key for product ID, which is looking into product ID, primary key. And also if you see the product subcategory foreign key in sales table, which is looking into subcategory table ID, primary key. So let us now learn how to create, use and drop database. To create database, we will use create command and schema or database and the database name. To use database, we will use command and the database name. To drop a database, we will use drop command, schema or database. Here schema or database are similar, and the database name. So let us now see how to create database in Mysql Workbench graphically, and also we will see how to create programmatically in Mysql Workbench. This is the Mysql Workbench, and the window which we are seeing is a dashboard, and the left side bar is known as navigation bar, and the right side is snippet bar, and the bottommost is known for output bar, and topmost is known for toolbar. If you see it database like structure image, if you click on that, it will ask the database name. I am showing here how to create a database graphically. If I write the database name and I'll click on apply, it will show the script which it is running. If I click apply, the database has been created. To see the database created, whether it created or not, if you go to the schemas under the navigation bar, you will see the employee which we have created now. Also, you can create database programmatically. To create the database programmatically, type create database and a database name. Suppose student. And if I run, the student database has been created. Don't worry if you can't find the student database here. Just refresh, you will find the student database. And to use the database, type use, and the database which you want to use, type that. Suppose I want to use EMP, I'll type EMP and I'll run. The EMP database has been highlighted. If you want to select the database graphically, then double click on the database, it will select the database graphically. To drop a database, just type drop drop database, or you can write schema and the database name. And if you run, the database has been deleted. You can also drop graphically. Right click, drop schema, drop now. Thank you. I hope you guys have enjoyed. In case of any doubt, please feel free to contact. My email ID is given below. Thank you.